welcome back to Amory Junction. Today we're at the Mid-Suffolk Railway. They've got a bit of a model railway show, so we can go for a ride on the train and have a look around the stuff. So let's get straight into it and look at the model railway layouts.
What do you work out? How to get the trains and do all the pictures so
yeah, there's the tank wagon.
yeah. Can I give it a try? Then you've got to work out what...
That is what you call a good model railway shop.
Sometimes it works easier, it all depends on... Oh, God, there's a van, I should have picked that. I think we've almost done it now, haven't we?
It's probably a good thing to point out, they say it's a demonstration line, hence it being so short, but then on its website they do say they're Suffolk's only heritage railway, and that normally means that you're going from somewhere to a destination, when I wouldn't really say that's the case. So you can really kind of make your own thing of what it is, if it's a heritage railway or a demonstration line. So we're going to put it to the test. On the way back, I think we're going to record how long it is, as I would say 2 minutes, and you wait at this station for like 10 minutes, just to say it's like a 12-minute journey when it's probably 2. So yeah, we're going to time it and see how long the railway actually is, as it'll be quite interesting to find out. Plus also, it's not that it didn't cost a lot, it was £10 each, which I think is quite overpriced.